Welcome back. Now, once you have your script and your cloned voice, you can then use an AI text to video creator. There are creators such as InVideo.io and Pictory.ai. For the sake of this video, we are going to go through the process using Pictory.ai. We are going to use the script to video process. We're going to click proceed. We will then need to paste in our article from our clipboard. Once we have it, we can give our video a name. Now, this is not a full-blown tutorial on how to use Pictory. However, you will have scene settings. And what you can then do is click the Proceed button. Pictory will then begin to storyboard your text and to begin to search for visuals among its library of stock video. Once it has completed its search for stock video, it will then create specific scenes matching up with your keywords and matching up with your script. And you can see the scene creation process. Once it completes all of your screens, you will then have available to you all of your screens available for edit. What you will then want to do is to click to the visuals area. You'll be able to click on each of the scenes, and you'll be able to determine if you want that scene to play that specific piece of stock video. If you want to change that stock video, what you'll want to make sure is that you understand which keyword Pictory is using in order to generate the stock video. So what we can do here is we can write in our phrase, and we can see what else may line up with Pictory. If we have a scene that we like better, we can use it. And we can do that with each scene in the process. Once we have completed with our visuals, we can then move on to the next step. What we're now going to do is go to the Uploads area. We're going to upload our audio. And before we apply this audio, it's a good idea, if you don't want background music, to disable it. We'll go back to the Uploads area. We'll then apply this audio to the entire video. You can then preview your video. Your content. This involves coming up with a video idea, defining the purpose, goal, and value of the video. You need to identify your target audience and the main. So what you can then do is you can close out of the video. You can then go to the download area, hover over to the video link, and you can then begin preparing for download. And once your video is ready, you can then download your video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.